Hey everyone, it's Nancy Ann. Today I have for you the winter FabFitFun box. This box always has 6 to 8 full-size products. I'm excited to see what's in there. I know about one item. I'm really looking forward to it. Let's get into this. Hello and welcome to Nancy Ann's Unboxings. I am excited for this unboxing today. It is the FabFitFun Winter Box. The only other FabFitFun I have unboxed was the fall one, and it was really good. And I like a lot of things about this one. As I said in the last unboxing of FabFitFun, I was intimidated to start this one, but now that I have, I'm glad I did. This box is the most customizable of all of the subscription boxes that I've tried so far. You get to choose items, like I think this time I maybe had 5 different choices of different things, and they give you a selection, and then you choose which one you want, and then you move on to the next one, and you do that through 4 or 5. I don't know that much. This is only my second time, but this time I think there was 5. And I only chose one. There was one item that I knew I wanted, and I said, surprise me on the other 5. So let me tell you just a little bit about FabFitFun. This is a seasonal lifestyle box. They put products in here across beauty, fashion, fitness, home, wellness, and tech. Now you can either prepay for 1 year for $199 for the 4 seasonal boxes, or you can just get the box quarterly and pay $54.99. So you get a little bit of savings if you do the prepay there. If you use my link below, you will get a free straightener brush that is valued at $210 with your first box, I believe, and I will also get $15 in credit towards FabFitFun. Thank you very much if you do that. Every little bit helps. Let's see, what else? Oh, I have the ability, they've been on me about this and I haven't taken advantage of it, to send a starter box to up to 5 different people. And the only thing you need to do is pay the shipping. I didn't catch the shipping on this one. I think it's about $7.95 if I remember correctly. I'll look it up. We'll put it down here. But if that's something you would like to take advantage of, my email is in the drop-down box below. So go ahead and shoot me an email and say, hey, I'd like one of the starter boxes. So up to 5 of you, I can do that for. So you might want to jump on that if it's something you want to do. And the starter box will have, I think, 3 to 4 full-size products. Yes, I'm looking at my notes. And it's valued at over $75. So if you'd like to give that a shot, I'm happy to do it for you. There is no benefit to me. It's just something I'm kind of passing on to my viewers. Another thing you can do with FabFitFun is you can have add-ons. Now, I didn't do it last time because I just wanted to see what the basic box was. But this time I did include, you're going to laugh at me, there's a back scrubber in here. I have a terrible time getting my own back clean in the shower. You know what I mean? So I just thought that would be a cool thing to have. I only paid $4.99 for it, and it is valued at $18. Okay, let's get right into the box, shall we? Let's open it up. This is not as big as the fall box was, but sometimes better things come in small packages. So here's what the box looks like when we open it. Right here. And it's got their little magazine on the front. So this is kind of fun. It wasn't quite as informative, honestly, when I opened it and read it the last time as I thought it would be. But it has some recipes, and it talks about what's in the winter box and talks about little things to do with skin. But a lot of it is promotional for what's in the box. But there still is just some fun little things. It's kind of fun to take a peruse through this and see what's in there. What else do we have? I got my glasses there. It says, make this season the yummiest yet. Fresh seasonal flavors. Oh, this is for HelloFresh. So it's a little card to get 18 free meals with HelloFresh. I've tried that before. I actually liked it. The problem was with HelloFresh, this has nothing to do with FabFitFun. I'm chasing another rabbit trail. If I didn't cook the things quickly, a lot of the fresh ingredients went bad. So we stopped doing that. Paper, get rid of that. Let's see, what do we have first? First up, the towel scrunchie. Oh, I love scrunchies for my hair. So I have 2 that I use already, but I will pass this on as a gift. Well, let me show it to you first. Towel scrunchies for your sweaty, salty, wet hair. So let's see. I think This is a scrunchie. You know what I was thinking this was? This is something that goes over your head as a towel to keep it dry, but I could be wrong. Let me read this and see what it is. It says they're super absorbent, microfiber material, reduces drying time. So that's what it is. Comes in a reusable waterproof travel pouch. Does anybody really keep these reusable pouches? It helps tame frizz and reduce hair breakage. So let me show you the back because it looks like it's this little kind of, well, it's a scrunchy shape. I'm interested in how this might work. I'm doing this, you're going to see this video shortly after Christmas. I am actually recording it shortly before Christmas because I think I may be able to include this in some of my Christmas boxes I'm mailing out. Hang on a minute. I need scissors. You can tell I'm new to the unboxing game fairly, at least this type of unboxing, because I keep forgetting to bring my scissors to the table. Let's see what we have here. I'm trying to figure out why this would help my hair. So it reduces drying time, but it's so small. And it does show that she kind of has it wrapped up and around. I can see where it would dry the ends, but what about the, you know what? This product just confuses me. Okay, next up. Oh, this is my daily back scrubber that I ordered. I'm going to put this in my shower. I'm a shower girl. Are you a shower or a bath person? So let's take this out and see how it works. I love to shower. I would much rather shower than bathe. Well, because of vein issues in my legs, I'm not supposed to bathe anyway, so that worked out pretty good. So here is the towel itself. Okay, so you just grab the handles, put it behind you, and scrub away. This I will really use, and it also has got a suction cup so that you can stick it to your shower wall. What's up now? Ooh, they sent me slippers. I wear slippers a lot. I'm wearing slippers right now. I have on a wantable outfit, except for this, wait a minute, no? Well, I found out about the slippers through Wantable, but then I went and purchased them from Mucklux because they were less expensive on their site. But anyway, here's another pair of scissors. My foot size is 11. What size are these? No, not scissors, another pair of slippers. What size are these slippers? A medium large. These may not fit my feet. I think I need a large, extra large. But look, they are so soft. They've got that faux fur trim and on the inside. Yeah, these aren't going to fit me. They do have a thing jammed in the toe. Hang on, I'm going to try these on. Okay, can you see my foot? I have a sock on. Sorry, I know that's tacky. Yeah, they're a little small. So even though I just slid them on my foot for a minute, but I did have the sock on, I'm either going to give these away to someone I know, or I will put them in a future giveaway, or I'll donate them. I think I've mentioned before that I used to work with a nonprofit here that helped at-risk and low-income women get back into the workforce, and they take clothing donations. And so only my new clothing pieces that I can't find someone I know personally to wear, I will bring them to my sister's closet of Bloomington, Indiana, and I will give them to them. And because they are new, they can get new with tag. They can get more for them than they normally would if something was used. Good tread on it too, by the way. Okay, so there's our slippers. Put them back in the bag. They're easier to move around. Okay, next item. Ooh, I see something I like. Let's see. This is a body wash. Aloe, A-L-O, Glow System Mega C Body Wash. I'm going to enjoy this. I love body washes. Alma powered clean beauty. So there's the front of it for you. Oh, there we go. This is 200 milliliters. I wish I knew the value on these. This is formulated with vitamin C rich AMLA, A-M-L-A, nature's most powerful antioxidant, super berry. It's a berry. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I will really enjoy using that. I think I do know where the values on these are. I remember seeing it. I will look that up in a minute and share it with you as I put things back in the box. Now, Coach New York. Coach, what is the, oh, I know what this is. This is the item I requested. Now, I've talked about before that my ears are newly pierced. I have 2 sets in each ear now. They had closed up, both sets, and there was a third in this one. I think I've mentioned that too. So I'm leaving the third closed because it keeps wanting to close up. I've had it done 3 or 4 times, I think. But anyway, I had these 2 put in, and this was a set of earrings. So here they are. There's the earrings. They got the little C. We'll put it up. There we go. And then the little crystals that go in the back, or in the other hole. And this is a regular frog closure on the back, by the way. All right, what else is in here? I'm just gonna pull out the one. This is the Short Stories rolling pin. And this rolling pin is that metal material that's gonna stay nice and cool. So with things like my pie crust, I want the dough to stay really cold when I'm working with it, so it's real flaky. There's a tip for you. Another rabbit trail. When you're making pie crust, have ice water that you add to it, not regular, and just stir it till it's barely combined, and put just enough water in it to barely hold it together when you kind of hold it, smush it in the middle. But if I can roll it with a nice, cool rolling pin instead of my wooden one, that's just going to help the flakiness all the more. Let me see what it says about this on the tag. This is actually a pretty cool little thing here. Wash thoroughly before use, of course. Short Stories rolling pin, 17 inches long and 2 inches in diameter. That's all I got. It's cute. It's got the wooden handles. Yep. And last item in my FabFitFun box is L'Occitane. I believe that's what it's called. Okay, this is the dry skin hand cream. Now, I got a sample of this in my Allure box. I got a little sample size, and it's sitting up in my kitchen. This is the full-size hand cream. It's a very good hand cream, by the way, so let me show you that. So you've already seen this one if you watched that unboxing, but this has shea butter. It's enriched with omega-3, omega-6, and carotene. Shea butter helps nourish and protect the skin and has an instant soothing effect. And it's formulated with a high concentration of shea butter. This is 20%, that is high. And it works to nourish and soothe your hands, protecting them against environmental aggressors and rebalance the skin barrier. So that's pretty neat. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can look up and find the value on these things, and we'll put them back in the box while I read that off. I'll be right back. So while I was looking up the prices on these items, I ran across the shipping. I looked that up too. So shipping to the continental United States is free. That's nothing for the FabFitFun seasonal box. Now, I don't know if you want to use my my link to send you a starter box if you're one of the 5 people that gets to me first for that, if you're going to have to pay shipping on that or not, but I would imagine that would be the same $8 that it is to Canada, Alaska, Hawaii, Puerto Rico. So for those places, it's just $8 a box in shipping. So that's kind of cool. All right, let's get to the items themselves. So the Coach earrings, I found out, are brass with a crystal there, and those are a $95 retail value. So that paid the $54.99 for the box right away before we got even into anything else. Next up is the Short Stories rolling pin. This is a stainless steel rolling pin. I love this. Not sure if I'm going to keep it because I have my other one. Maybe I'll donate the other one and keep this. But this one retails for $32. Then we have the Chinese laundry slippers. Oh, Chinese Laundry is a really good brand, aren't they? These are $39.95. I just wish they would have paid attention to my foot size because they don't fit me. So maybe those will be going into a giveaway if I don't find someone else who can use them here locally. Then we have the L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream. This is that hand cream. This one is $25. Should have left it out of the box. So $25 hand cream. It's a nice hand cream, but that's I'm probably going to let someone else have that one too, because I've got hand creams coming out my ears right now. Well, not literally, but you get the point. Then there is the Kitsch Towel Scrunchie 2-pack. This is valued at $18. What do we have next? Then we have the Aloe Mega C Body Wash. And this one is valued, did I ever take it out of the box? I don't think I did. This one is valued at $24, and I will likely keep this one too. We'll see. Gosh, guys, I'm sorry. I should have taken this out of the box for you initially, but here we are, the Aloe Glow System, and that's what the actual container itself looks like. But you know, even with just the Coach earrings that I'm keeping and the couple of other things, this already paid for itself. And then I got my back scrubber. This was an add-on, but this was only $4.99. And by the way, this is biodegradable. It's eco-friendly. So there we go. That is my FabFitFun box for winter. What did you think? Did you enjoy that? Let me know if you want me to continue keeping this one up. You use my link down below. You'll get that fancy dancy straightener brush, and then I will also get a $15 credit. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the notification bell if you want notification of upcoming unboxings. I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye, and be blessed. You know how I told you, Sam, that this sweater is itchy the other day? It's still itchy. That hasn't changed, and this is the last time I'm going to wear it.
A few moments later.
Bet you wish I just turned the microphone off, huh? Stop the camera? No, I gotta make it as hard on you as possible.